Hi, friends. Welcome to Daily Slow English. Do you know how to introduce yourself confidently? In today's story, Angela, a young Filipino Canadian woman, will show us how she does it in front of others at a job interview and when meeting a new friend. Together, let's practice English and explore everyday life in North America. Are you ready? Let's get started. The morning sun was shining through the window of a small apartment. Angela Santos stood by the table with a cup of coffee in her hand. It was her first day of English class. She felt nervous but also excited. She whispered to herself,
You can do it, Angela. Just smile and say hello.
The classroom was bright and colorful. There were students from many countries: India, China, Brazil, Iran, and more. Everyone looked friendly but quiet.
Good morning, everyone. Let's start with introductions. Who would like to go first?
Angela's heart started beating fast. She looked around and saw that no one raised their hand. So she smiled shyly and stood up.
Hello, everyone. My name is Angela Santos. I'm from the Philippines. I came to Canada last year. Back home, I worked as a nursing assistant. I love singing, cooking, and spending time with my family. I'm learning English because I want to talk to people confidently and work in healthcare again.
Her voice trembled a little at first, but when she finished, the class clapped.
Very nice, Angela. That was clear and natural. Great job.
Angela sat down and smiled. It was a small moment, but it made her feel brave. That night, she wrote in her notebook,
Today, I introduced myself, and it felt like opening a new door.
"Let's start with some sentences you can use to introduce yourself to a group of people. Hello, everyone. My name is Angela.
Hello, everyone. My name is Angela.
I'm from the Philippines.
I'm from the Philippines.
I came to Canada last year.
I came to Canada last year.
I like singing and reading.
I like singing and reading.
I'm learning English because I want to speak more confidently.
I'm learning English because I want to speak more confidently.
While studying ESL, Angela also completed a 6-month training program and earned her PSW certificate. What is a PSW? A PSW is a personal support worker in Canada. They help seniors with daily activities like eating, bathing, and walking. In the U.S., a similar job is called a CNA. After applying to several long-term care homes, she finally received her first job interview invitation. Her heart was filled with excitement and a little bit of nervousness. She practiced her self-introduction every night in front of the mirror.
My name is Angela Santos. I'm from the Philippines. I worked as a nursing assistant before. I'm caring, patient, and I love helping people.
When the interview day came, Angela took a deep breath and put on a smile.
Good morning. Please tell me a little about yourself.
Good morning. My name is Angela Santos. I'm from the Philippines. I finished my PSW training recently. I love helping people and learning new things
That's nice. Why do you want to work as a PSW?
because I enjoy caring for others. I feel happy when I can make someone's day better. Helping people gives me purpose.
Do you have any experience in healthcare?
Yes, I worked as a nursing assistant in my home country. I helped seniors with daily care. I always try to be kind and patient.
Sounds good. How do you handle stress at work?
I stay calm and do one thing at a time. If I feel tired, I take a short break. I also talk to my team for support.
That's wonderful, Angela. You sound like a kind and dedicated person. We'll contact you soon.
Angela smiled with relief. It wasn't just an interview. It was proof that her English was helping her grow. Now let's practice how to introduce ourselves at a job interview. I studied at ABC College.
I studied at ABC College.
I have a PSW certificate.
I have a PSW certificate.
I worked as a nursing assistant for 1 year.
I worked as a nursing assistant for 1 year.
I can speak English and Filipino.
I can speak English and Filipino.
I'm a responsible and caring person.
I'm a responsible and caring person.
I'm flexible with my work schedule.
I'm flexible with my work schedule.
A few days later, Angela started her new job at a long-term care home. Her first client was an elderly woman named Mrs. Miller. Before entering the room, Angela whispered,
Be kind, be calm, and speak clearly.
She knocked softly.
Good morning, Mrs. Miller. My name is Angela. I'm your support worker today. You can call me Angie. How are you feeling this morning?
Oh, good morning. You must be new here. It's nice to meet you, Angie.
It's nice to meet you too, ma'am. I'll help you get ready for breakfast and then we can take a little walk.
Mrs. Miller smiled again. Her eyes softened.
You have such a gentle voice. You remind me of my granddaughter. How old are you, dear? Are you living with your parents here?
Thank you, Mrs. Miller. I'm 24 years old. I live here by myself. My family is in the Philippines. I like listening to your stories. You have so much experience and wisdom. I feel happy when I can make you smile.
That morning, the room felt brighter. It wasn't just work. It was the beginning of trust and friendship. That simple moment touched Angela's heart. She realized that her English didn't need to be perfect. It only needed to be kind. Now let's practice the self-introduction sentences Angela uses when talking with Mrs. Miller. I'm your support worker today.
I'm your support worker today.
You can call me Angie.
You can call me Angie.
I'm 24 years old.
I'm 24 years old.
I live here by myself. My family is in the Philippines.
I live here by myself. My family is in the Philippines.
I like listening to your stories.
I like listening to your stories.
I enjoy helping others.
I enjoy helping others.
It was a sunny morning, and volunteers were cleaning the park together. During the break, Angela sat under a tree with a bottle of water in her hand. A young man took a seat nearby, smiling politely.
Hi there. It's a nice day for cleaning, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The weather is perfect.
I'm Michael. It's my first time joining this event.
Nice to meet you, Michael. I'm Angela. I joined last month.
That's great. Do you live around here, Angela?
Yes, just down the street.
Oh, really? What do you do for work?
I work as a PSW.
You must be a caring person. Where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines. I moved to Canada last year.
How do you like it here so far?
I like it. People are friendly, and I love the parks here. They're clean and green.
That's good to hear. What do you like to do when you're not working?
I like cooking Filipino food, singing a little, and going for walks in the park.
That sounds nice. I love hiking and photography. Maybe next time we can take some photos of the park together.
That would be fun. It feels nice to do something good together.
Angela looked around the park. The sunlight, the laughter, and the clean path. It wasn't just about cleaning the park. It was about connection, a new friendship, and another chance to say hello with confidence. Finally, let's practice how to introduce ourselves when meeting new friends. I live around here.
I live around here.
I work as a PSW.
I work as a PSW.
I'm pretty friendly, but a little shy at first.
I'm pretty friendly, but a little shy at first.
This park is one of my favorite places.
This park is one of my favorite places.
I like volunteering and doing good things together.
I like volunteering and doing good things together.
That night, Angela sat by her window. She thought about all the times she had introduced herself. In the classroom, at the interview, with her first client, and at the community event. Each hello had been a small step forward. Each nice to meet you had built a bridge to someone new. Angela whispered softly,
Every time I introduce myself, I feel a little more at home.
she missed her mom, so she made a call.
Hi, GL. How have you been?
Hi, Mom. I'm doing well. I started my new job last week. The people are nice, and my manager said I'm learning fast. I also joined a volunteer group. We cleaned the park today.
It was Angela's way of introducing herself again, this time with love and confidence. That's today's story. Now you know how to introduce yourself, professionally and socially, in both formal and informal situations. I hope you learned some useful English today and maybe discovered a little more about everyday life in North America. Don't forget to subscribe and join us again for more fun and easy English learning. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye for now.